Welcome to Tool School. I'm Steve Butler, and today we want to talk about Clover's snag repair needles. There's nothing worse than that unruly snag that stands out for all to see. Or how about those loose thread tails we have left over when quilting or embroidering? What do we do with those? We need some way to make them all go away. Snag repair needles to the rescue for what we do, both intentional and unintentional. The snag repair needle comes in two sizes for use depending on the offending snag. One end is pointed just like a regular needle. The other end sports a grippy knurled edge designed to hold a loose thread tail. For unsightly snags, just insert the needle in the offending space, wrap the loose thread around the grippy edges of the needle, and simply pull it through. In either case, the offending loose end is gone, never to offend again. That's Clover's snag repair needle. I'm Steve Butler, and that's been Tool School.